You are listening to the audio production of The Great American Bank Robbery, the unauthorized report about what really caused the Great Recession, by Paul Sperry, published by Thomas Nelson and read by Milton Bagby. Dedicated to the memory of Paul Joseph McKinnon. A note of caution to readers. This book, at bottom, is an indictment. It does not seek to condemn the uncredit-worthy minority borrowers who pursued the American dream of owning a home, even if prematurely. Rather, it accuses those who make a living exploiting these protected classes. Yes, the hardest-hit victims of the subprime, as Jesse Jackson has dubbed it, are indeed low and moderate income minorities who were trapped in home loans beyond their means and have now lost everything. But they were not victimized as much by predatory lenders as by Washington social engineers and housing rights activists who used lenders to integrate them into the economic mainstream, regardless of their financial wherewithal. In the final analysis, they merely resegregated poor minorities into neighborhoods that are now more blighted than ever. As these housing rights zealots watch their multicultural experiment self-destruct from the safety of their ivory tower and government corner offices, minority borrowers are watching their homes get boarded up, their credit and borrowing power go from bad to worse, and their dreams of viable home ownerships crumbling. It will be years before they can qualify again. This is the real scandal and tragedy of the subprime credit crisis, for as well-intentioned as they may have been, the zealots failed, and are failing again, to recognize the long-term benefit of prudent underwriting standards, greater assurance that a homeowner who buys a home stays in the home. Paul Sperry. Preface. It is now official. According to the Federal Reserve Board, the financial crisis has wiped out $14 trillion in American household wealth, an amount equal to the entire gross domestic product and the worst loss of wealth since the Great Depression. This equates to an average loss of more than $123,000 per household.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?